Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to put up a circle mirror. First, let's plan. Consider where your mirror will look best, perhaps above a console table or in a hallway. Always check that the wall can safely hold the mirror's weight. Measure the mirror's diameter and weight carefully. Think about the ideal height for viewing, usually around eye level for most people. This initial planning saves time and ensures a beautiful result. Now, let's gather our essential tools and hardware. You'll need a tape measure, a pencil, a level, and a reliable stud finder. Depending on your wall type, choose suitable wall anchors or screws, for instance, drywall anchors for plasterboard. Make sure your drill has the correct bit size, perhaps a 1/4 inch bit for many anchors. Don't forget a soft cloth and glass cleaner for the final sparkle. With your tools ready, let's begin the installation. First, use your stud finder to locate any wall studs or to ensure you avoid electrical wires. Mark the exact center point where you want your mirror to hang with a pencil. Next, carefully drill pilot holes for your chosen anchors or screws. Ensure these holes are deep enough for a secure fit. Finally, firmly secure the mounting hardware into the wall. It's time for the exciting part, mounting your mirror. Carefully lift the circular mirror and gently hang it onto the secured hardware. Use your level to double-check that the mirror is perfectly straight and balanced. Once it's secure, give the mirror's surface a good clean with glass cleaner and a soft cloth for a sparkling, clear reflection. Step back and enjoy your beautiful new addition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.